This weekend snow, we've got days of some seriously cold temperatures to sort of navigate.
Yeah, so if you have medical appointments next week, consider using telehealth. Medicare telehealth benefits have been temporarily extended through the end of this month. So it's important to find ways to stay safe, warm, and to prevent carbon monoxide poisoning.
Yeah, the symptoms rather can make you think that you've got the cold or the flu, but they require emergency treatment.
If you have multiple family members, everyone in the home has all the same symptoms. It may be that carbon monoxide is the common denominator as to why everyone doesn't feel good. And the antidote for carbon monoxide exposure is eliminating the source, meaning getting away from the risk, and then oxygen is the therapy.
So you really want to make sure that you're using safe heating methods like a space heater that's plugged directly into the wall, not into an additional power source, to avoid carbon monoxide poisoning.
All right, so if we do lose power, which according to Topper is unlikely, never run a generator inside of your home. And before the storm hits, take some time to test the carbon monoxide alarms in your home or install one. We'll be right back with the news at 6.